Hello everyone! Welcome back to Daily Naughty Birds Bomb. Naughty Bird is back with her Flintobox. That is right. So this Flintobox is for the month of June. Okay, now let's open the Flintobox and see what's inside. Oh my god, before that, what do I see on your dress? Can you show your dress to us? What is it made on? What is it on your dress? Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Okay, and I see the same characters on your bed sheet. Show me, show me, show me, show me, show me. Oh yes, there is Mickey Mouse here and there is Minnie Mouse over there. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse all over Naughty Bird's bedsheet. One more. Okay. Alrighty. That's nice. You like Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse? Okay. Alright, so now let's go ahead and check out the Flintobox. Alrighty. So what we have here is the Color Carnival Flintobox for the month of June, and this is for 2 to 3 years old age group. Okay, now let's open it up.
Let me open milk.
Yes, you can open it.
This paper.
You can open this. Okay. Some help.
Yay!
Ta-da! Whoa! I think you missed something here. You missed something here. 2 things over here. Dun dun da 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 da. This is the Color Carnival cue card, which tells us about all the activities that will be included in the box. So that's colorful balloons, color rings, roll with colors, go fishing, emo, and the rainbow storybook. And this is a rainbow. It tells about all the activities that we have for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And it's a beautiful rainbow with all the rainbow colors. Okay, can you tell the colors, Naughty Bird? Naughty Bird is going to tell the colors now. So what colors do you see in the rainbow? Now let's check out this one first. What color is this?
Red.
Red. This one?
Orange.
Orange.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Green.
Green.
Blue.
Blue.
Purple.
And purple. Yes, that's right. Okay, now let's move on to the first activity. The first activity that we have here, Naughty Bird, is this is go fishing. You have to go fishing, fishing, fishing. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Okay, so let's see. We have fishes of different colors, and this is a tongue. And we have to pick up one fish with the tongue and put it in the right fish pool. So the blue fish goes in the blue one, yellow fishes go in the yellow one, and the red ones in the red one. So can you do that? Can you do that, naughty bird? Okay, here we go. Let's see how quick you are. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Fishes keep swimming, fishes keep swimming. Whoa, very nice. You're quick enough. Really, really quick. Wow, very nice. You have made it. All the blue fishes in the blue tub already.
Yes.
Now it's the turn for yellow fishes. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 4. And the last one is 5. Yay! Very nice. We've got another tub full of fishes. Blue, yellow, and this is red. So the red ones now. High five! Yes! That was really quick, naughty bird. You have done this activity so fast. Very good. It is definitely going to be very fun when the kid gets to learn the colors. They can learn counting. They would understand how to grasp with the help of a tongue. So let's check out the next one. What do we have next here? Dun, 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 dun. This is color rings. So this is known to improve the logical reasoning, coordination, and creativity of your child.
Yes!
Okay, let's open it up. Shall I help you?
Yes, no.
Yes, no?
Wow!
Whoa, what's that? I think we gotta open these. Okay, let's open it up. And 1 second. This one here says what? It says color rings. Okay, color rings contain small parts. Handle each part with care. Adult supervision is must. Okay, let's open it up. This is basic level, and this is the advanced level. Okay, so first you will help your child, or probably your child would try this one first because these are simpler. This is easier, and later on you can move the level up by giving these advanced level rings. Okay, so let's see how Naughty Bird is able to do this. Okay, if she's able to do the advanced ones, or if she's only able to do the basic level one. So let's check it out. Open. Can you open? Shall I help? Okay, let's take out this one first. Take it out. Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa. Okay, let's fix them now. What you have to do is fix the rings one into the other. Oh, very nice, Naughty Bird. Oh, now that's called a quick one. Very good. You've done it so well and quickly. Perfect. Put this one again. Put this one back. Look, you're doing it right. You're doing it right. You just have to move it a little bit here. Yes, that's right. And now let's see if you can. You have completed the basic one already. Give me high five. Oh, very well. Now let's see if you can fix these on these. Let's check it out. Oh man, very good. Let's see if you're missing on something. Look at the shape. Find the shape again. Just carefully observe the shape. Now you have this coming out from here, this protruding from here. So you can probably fix the green one like this. Wow. Okay. Alrighty. And the next one. You have to match the shape. Look at this shape. Where is the cut? Can you see a cut for this shape? Do you see a cut in this ring for this shape? Yes. So where is the cut? Now. Yes, you're doing it right, baby. Very nice, very nice. Wow, you have done it. Give me high five again. Very well. Okay, now let's talk about the colors now. Are you ready for the colors?
Let's.
Okay, which one? Okay, say loudly, baby.
Let's.
Red, very good.
Green.
Green, okay.
Orange.
Orange.
Blue.
Blue, which one is blue?
This one.
Okay, and
Yellow.
yellow. Yeah, wow. Naughty Bird has told all the colors correctly. Yeah, yippee. Okay, Naughty Bird, do you know one thing? We can also talk about the shapes in this one. Do you know what shape is this? Oh, Teri, that is right. Triangle. Good one. Now, what shape is this? Do you know? What? Square! Wow! Otteri! Very good! Okay, the next one, please. Now let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this has 5 sides, orange in color, so it is a 5-sided pentagon. Say pentagon. Pentagon. Yes, very good. Now this one has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, this has 6 sides. It's a hexagon. Say hexagon. Very good. Hexagon. Okay. Now the last one is it's a circle. Very good. So Naughty Bird knows circle already. Naughty Bird knows square. Naughty Bird knows triangle. And the new ones for Naughty Bird are pentagon and hexagon. Very well. Okay, now you can keep this activity aside and let's check out the next one. And before we move on to the next one, let me quickly take a look at the instructions guide here. What it says here is oh no, it's not able to focus. Why aren't you able to focus quickly, man? Okay, yeah, so your child fits colorful tiles of different shapes together. Start with the basic level. Yes, my child has already done that. She is adept with it. She is perfect. Increase the complexity by asking your child to solve the advanced level. What are the different shapes? Yes, we have discussed about the shapes. Yes, I asked her the colors and she knows the colors. And let's move on to the next one. Oh my god, while I was just talking to you guys, she has already opened the next one. Okay, let's put this one aside. You go here and we're gonna do the next one here. Okay. Woohoo! What is that activity called? It is colorful balloons. You like balloons? You like to play with them? Okay, so you have different shapes of balloons on this card. And I really like this thing about Flintobox, that the cards and the activities they give are so good. I mean, believe me, the material is so nice, the quality is so good that it is good for children to play with, because it would not get crumpled easily, and it is made for wear and tear, because of course when children play they do not see that what they're breaking, how they're handling it, so they are made for tough handling. Yeah. Okay, now let's take out the balloons, and we have different shapes of balloons in this. Shall I help you to open? Okay, so we have this cardboard here. Emo is holding this bunch of balloons, and we have different numbers. Baby, can you see? There are different numbers on the balloons. Numbers have been put on the balloons, and you have to match the number. Okay, you will match the balloon with the number, and she has already started doing it without even taking the instructions. She knows it all. Okay, what number have you put? Have you put it correctly? Yes, she has put it correctly. 7 number balloon goes on number 7. What is the color of the balloon?
Orange.
Orange. What is the number written?
7.
Very good. The next one, what do you have? Whoa, good. Let's fix it like this. Shall I turn it towards you? Will it be easier for you to do it? I think yes, I should turn it towards you. Okay, now you can fix it. Number 2. I think they have not made it, they have not cut it properly. This has fixed. This is fixed now. Okay. What number is this?
5.
Hey, what number is this? What number is this?
2.
Very good. And the color is? What is the color of the balloon?
Purple.
Purple. Yes. The next one.
Pink.
Pink. Okay. The number is?
8.
What is the number, baby?
9.
9. Very nice.
Mommy.
Mom, help. Okay. Let's match the shape like this. This is okay. Done. What number have you put now?
4.
4. And the color is?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good. It fixes like that only. It would not fix completely. Not properly cut. Okay. Now let's do the next one. What number is this? 3. Where is the number 3 balloon? Okay.
Put it.
Okay. Let's fix it.
No. Can't.
Can't?
Button.
Okay. You can probably fix this one up and this one down. So we just have to switch there. Oh no. How can we switch it? Yes, we can. Okay.
You can't.
Yes, you've done it right. You've done it right. Good. Very good. Oh, which asan was that? Mayurasan?
Yes.
Oh, you have put one already. What number is this?
8.
Very good. And the color is?
Purple.
Purple again? Yeah, purple again. Yes.
Wooden.
Oh yes, this one is blue. We said purple.
Mom, see.
Oh no, mom is silly. Oh my god, yes, mom told you wrong color. I am so sorry. I thought it appeared to be purple, but now that we have purple here, so this looks blue. Sorry. Sorry, baby. Okay, what shape is this?
Pink.
Okay, the color is red, I think. Pink one is this. This is pink. This is red. Yes.
Missy.
Muesli. Okay. Now, what number is this? What number is this?
1.
1. And what is the shape of the balloon? What is the shape? What shape is it? It's a...
Art.
Very good. It's a heart. Very nice. Okay, now the next one. I think that's the last one we have got. Okay, let's fix it. A little bit like that. Yeah, good. You're doing it well. Yes, go ahead. Perfect. Perfecto. Okay, done. Okay, this is number
5.
very good. And the color is?
Pink.
Yes. This activity is completed. So we have learned the counting, the numbers.
Mommy, sit pink.
Yes, we have 2 pink colors. Yes. We have learned the colors, we have learned the shapes, and it was a fun, colorful activity.
Yes, but 2.
Yes, that's right. Now Emo is flying up in the sky with the help of these balloons. He's flying up. Up I go, up I go. And the bird, now he can talk to the bird as well because he's up in the sky and the birds fly in the sky. So he is talking. Hey birdie, how are you?
Not touching.
Not farting?
Not touching.
Oh, not talking. I am sorry.
You're painting. Wow.
Now what's that? What is that?
Painting.
Paintings. Yes, these are cards that... I am sorry. These are cards that you can paint. And there are different things, different shapes, different items on the card. Now let's check them out. What all do we have? Okay, so first we have these cards. Yeah, let me see it, please. Oh, no, don't take it out. Don't take it out. We have to first color them, then we will take them out. We will first paint them, then we will take them out, okay? So we have this card here.
Yes.
This is, okay, would you tell me, what is this?
Got to try here.
Yes, this is roller. You have to use this roller and these paints to paint these cards, and then we can pass this thread given. This thread is given to us. We have to pass it through these cutouts and it will become a hanging piece. It will hang on your wall. Understood?
That's a wall.
Yes, you can hang it on this wall next to your lawn. Okay, now so now the thing is that it says green, so it has all the things which you have to color green. Okay, what is this?
What you bet?
This storybook, Emo and the Rainbow. You see, there is rain, trees, a puddle. Emo is on a swing with his teddy bear. And this story is that the rain is about to stop, but there is no rainbow. Emo decides to paint one. What all colors does a rainbow have? So this story will help the children understand about what a rainbow is, when does rainbow come, what are the different colors that we see in a rainbow. So let's go ahead and read it. So you see a ladder and a roller for the paint. It says Dash is on a rainbow adventure. So you need to write the name of your kid here. And let's get started. Here we go. This is the first page of the book. So Emo is with a red bucket in his hand and he's on a ladder painting with his roller, and he's painting the red color. Emo paints a rainbow as red as a bug. Now he has the orange bucket. Emo paints a rainbow as orange as a carrot. So the second color he has done in the rainbow is orange. The third color is yellow. Emo paints a rainbow as yellow as a banana. Oh, so must be that he's tired of painting, so he thought of munching the banana, putting his bucket and roller aside. The fourth color we see is the green color. Emo paints a rainbow as green as a frog. Emo paints a rainbow as blue as a bird. So the next color that we get to see here is the blue color, like the color of these birds here. Emo paints a rainbow as indigo as a flower. These are all indigo color flowers. You can see butterflies here. And Emo paints a rainbow as violet as a butterfly. So he has painted violet as well as indigo. So what are the colors that we see in a rainbow? The rainbow is also known as Vibgyor. So that is, Vibgyor stands for the colors, each of the colors that we see in a rainbow. So we have violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, making it VIBGYOR. So that's a whip gear. I hope you like this month's Flintobox, and to see next month's Flintobox and many more activities that Naughty Bird is going to do, you have to be back on the same channel. So that's all we have for today, and we will meet you back on the same channel. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye now.